What's up, y'all? Orion VR back again with another video. And today, if y'all want to get like some of my stuff, I actually have a workshop now. I have these Eugenius Prime and Super Senior Gojo and stuff like that. But if you can't find them, this one might not be in the thing yet. But here's the thing, the Super Senior Gojo, I'm like 100% sure it is in my map. So just to make sure, I'll check it out. The map has everything that this does. So hold on, ready, so I can work out. And so the Super Senior Gojo should be in the piano building, if I'm not wrong with the piano and stuff. I'm gonna find it though. Oop, little lag. Nope. Bro, where is the piano building? Not that. No, it's a purple build. And wait. Dang, bro, did I lose? Piano? Oh, right here. So if y'all are curious, let me exit. So if I'm right, it should be there. Yes, secret. So if you grab it, like do this. Just keep waiting, You will get, wait for it. Ooh, false memories. Watches.
Imaginary technique. Scope him like JFK.
See? You get, basically, yeah. You get Gojo. Clapping them cheeks.
Reversal technique. Shoot up the classroom. See you later, alligator.
Quite overpowered.
We aren't done yet. You are on the front wall. You are on the front wall. Maximum output. Purple. Everybody dying.
So yeah. Sadly, where people it looks checked out my map or favorited it, and it also seems like they also did it to my Prime Eugene his Prime. Yeah, weird names. But I still have 0 uploads, sadly. Yeah, if y'all come across my better Gojo than you, that was actually a battle against my friend who was being a little ticklehead. So yeah. But yeah, and in my actual map, I added Toji. If y'all want to, so yeah, these are actually like part of a dude's moveset, or a person who like gives you import codes. And if you want to find him, just search up like the best Discord movesets or import codes in YouTube, and then yeah, you can find it. So yeah. Just saying. So y'all know. And if you want to make it for yourself, you mostly gotta go in his description, and then yeah. That's usually how you do it. Dash combo. Then hit 1. So that is my dash lights. Same. Yep. Now dash combo we do. 3 now. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Now 4th is the gun. So first move, boom. Now I'm pretty sure there isn't up close variant? Okay, well, then Federal Instincts. Now, if you hold it with the gun, pretty sure it does more, like, damage. Yeah, it does. Yeah, that is just like the gun sound. Yeah, now here's the ultimate. I missed again. Hold on. You might need to use your fist. What? There we go. Now we got it. So yeah, that's the ultimate. So if you want to see my UG moveset, I can show you. Yeah, guys. Here is the UG moveset that I got. Put on Hitty. It's the same one as Prime UG. I'm Tojo. Oh wait, I forgot. UG and Toji have the last same part of their name. Whatever. I don't know. Tojo, I don't know. But yeah, if I might like soon. No, I can't, cause I made this myself. I didn't use it for my custom. But here's my custom Gojo. Not gonna lie, it was kind of really hard to get the dash animation, like with the I don't know, whatever. So first move is Lapse Crush, crushes them. Reversal, punt, whatever. The Honored Strikes is I don't know how to say that, but I think it's like impossible to land. I think, unless I coded it wrong, which could be true. RCT, which is supposed to heal you when you get hurt. I'm gonna show you the round attack dummy. It can also be used as a counter, like that. So I might also make it where it can also knock the person away. I might, y'all. Where is my Gojo? Oh, right there. So Supreme Gojo. See ya. I'm gonna edit it a little, and y'all can watch. So this is how I made it, like this. Yeah, I used flame arrow. Yet it still has that. Hold on. And if I put it back, it basically doesn't work. I'm gonna make it 20 instead. Okay. Now. Skill. Manji. What's one should I use? Like that. Okay. Let me redo my Gojo. And if y'all wanted to check out my other movesets, so this might look a little familiar. Now, I gotta hit this for it to work. Running the show. See, I made this all by myself. So the third move is quite a long name. So, running the show. Yeah, this can be also used for other stuff. So it's a counter. So yeah. I try my best and I still can't make you happy. Okay, see. god. Yeah. I might have to make this into an actual character, which is going to be quite hard, but I could use import code, and if you think I should, let me know in the comments. And if I can find an import code for Kane, I will do it for sure. Oh, by the way, if you want to see what the dash does, it's just the thing for Mojito, so yeah, it can kill. Here, so this is an incarnation, or whatever, incantation, whatever. So, it's a sacrifice, basically. It can get rid of your health, but in return, it can give you health. So, yeah. And if you want to see more of my moves, I have a lot of movesets. Might have to end it here, maybe? I don't know. But, yeah, I'm going to show you one more, and then, yeah. Yeah, I made that myself as well. One of them is just like a test, so it doesn't even work. And it was like a, I don't really know. You gotta go over to trash can. And here this is. Interact with the keys. Ooh, crash, lag, lash, delete, crash, lag, yeah. It is supposed to give you cosmetics. Yeah, this one right there is supposed to be like a Rick and Morty moveset, but it's failed. It's a failed moveset, man. See? So here's the stuff that you'll get. Now let me break out so I can show you. Some of them can lag a little, like the ultimate. Crash. Oh. So yep, it had to one shot. Lag. So yep, this one you can summon Maharaga with if you want to. Now delete, or maybe this one is. Oh yes, I don't know. Now crash, lag, delete. You can literally become Maharaga with this move. The art special is, I have no clue. Oh, this. Oh, I'll show you, and then that's it. It's that. It's like Sukuna's cleave move with the divergent fist. Okay, so yeah, that's all.